现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song here on We Love Hakka. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes music from Liu Sirong with a song called Iliap Sene, which means One Lone Star. Now, not only is she a musician, she's also a poet, and was inspired by Hakka poems written by her own father, which prompted her to write songs in Hakka. Well, this song, One Lone Star, was written as a present for a friend's newborn child, and is a blessing to the child to take advantage of all the opportunities in the future.
Iliap Sene一휴水天浓一坡走给一层风哦莫什么西该出题呀莫什么西该出题莫什么西给出题哟树下有条蜜糖流水天有山山命班呢给山木咯开喜是个给嘎布
Iliap Sene 也就是一粒星仔，这是刘思荣的歌曲哦。他不只是歌手，也是个画家，更是个诗人。因为在多年前阅读到父亲写作的客家诗，引起他想要来创作一些客家歌还有诗词哦。而这首歌呢，是送给朋友新生儿的一个礼物，来祝福这个新生命来到我们的世界哦，去迎接跟探索更多的未来。我们就来继续收听这首 Iliap Sene， 也谢谢大家收听今天的 We Love Hakka。We'll see you next time.
一见不给一当明朝我一束各位一三年闹红犯错给等太阳犯错给等太阳
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.